Okay, this is part 3 of our notes. This is where we're going to finish up the first section, and then we'll be in the last section on the very last portion. So this one is just another problem with our arcs. Okay, so it says FD is a tangent to the O. Okay, so remember, tangents and a radius make a 90-degree angle. So let's put that on there. Okay, tangent and a radius equal 90 degrees. Okay, so that's how we know that got there. Based upon the angle measurements given, find the measure of each of the following. Okay, so remember, your inside angle, your central angle, is the same as the arc. So from A to B, we know that this inside angle is 45, so I also know that arc is 45. Okay, because they match. Now A to D, that's over here, okay, we've got to look and see what we know. Okay, we know that this is 90 and this is 85. Okay, now we also know that a whole entire circle adds up to 360. So what I'm going to do to find from A to D is I'm going to subtract what I know. I know I have a 45, I know I have an 85, and that will give me what's left. So 360 minus 45 minus 90 minus 85 gives me my portion that I need, which is 140. Okay, so I know from A to D is 140. Now I also know that A to C, from here to here, is both of those portions added together. So 45 plus 90 equals 135. Now from B to C, they already told us what that was because they gave us our inside or our central angle. It's 90, so BC is also 90. Now we've got a major arc, if you notice, because it has 3 letters, A to D to C. So we need this whole portion. We found A to D earlier. That was 135. Or sorry, 140. Then we want to add our 85. So we've got our 140 plus our 85. And that's going to give us 225. Pardon me. Okay, then we've got our A to C to D. Okay, that's all of those pieces added together. So our 45 plus our 90 plus our 85. Okay, and that's going to give us 220. So all you're doing is you're taking your pieces and adding them together. Okay, so there's not really a whole bunch of like hard, difficult math to it. It's just taking the pieces you know and adding those together. So I'm going to let you mark off this one and this one. And then look at our angles, DOF. So here's D, here's O, and F is out here. Okay, so notice that these have made a right triangle. Okay, we know that all of our triangles add up to 180. So I'm just going to take my 180 and subtract my 38 and my 90. 180 minus 38 minus 90, and that's going to be 52 degrees. Okay, then I've got E to A to O, this portion right here. Okay, so it's wanting to know how that angle is going to be, but you're not going to need to know that for the rest of this. So mark that.